Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
Hey, it's Acoustic.
I'm
Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today I'm going to become a vegetarian for 24 hours. So we are making breakfast right now. This isn't going to be hopefully too hard for me because if you guys don't already know, Elizabeth is vegetarian and she is also my sister. So this isn't going to be too hard to just do with her, I guess.
She's around a lot of vegetarian food anyway and eats a lot of vegetarian food already, but she does eat meat. Like, she doesn't not eat meat.
Yeah, we can talk about other stuff later, but right now we are going to make what Elizabeth makes for breakfast. Let's just make that real fast and then we can talk a little bit. So let's go. Okay.
I really just want to eat this, and Kath had to set up the camera, and I'm like, I just want to eat my breakfast. Do you hate it?
No, it's actually pretty good. It doesn't taste like there's as much fruit as we put in there. Like, it's very, not liquidy in the sense of its consistency, but it tastes very watery. Like, we put a bunch of ice in it, but we didn't.
Okay.
But I mean, it's not bad. I would eat it again, but like, I don't think I could eat this every day. All right, so I guess we'll check back in once we're finished with breakfast, and yeah. So we ended up making lunch. We kind of had two separate things because we kind of didn't really know what we wanted. You can see some of my shots from earlier. Mine is actually kind of devoured now because it was so good. But it's just like a bagel cream cheese sandwich with bell pepper, onion, and lettuce in between.
You've got water. And I've got water.
Yep. Oh, we've also both had popcorn today. So I ended up getting a cinnamon roll. Well, we had homemade ones left. And then Elizabeth is also eating her cinnamon roll currently. But this is vegetarian, so we're all good. So we're working on making our dinner. It is a sourdough bread, grilled sourdough with cheddar cheese and apple in between it. And I heard this was pretty good, so I'm kind of excited, but it's gonna be interesting. So yeah. Of our fancy grilled cheese. Cheese doesn't want to melt very much. All right, there's yours, Elizabeth, and here's mine. There we go.
All right, so you've been vegetarian all day. How do you feel?
I feel fine. It kind of feels like a normal day because I usually don't eat that much meat, like ever, so.
Yeah, you're not like bacon for breakfast, pork chop for lunch.
I had a hot dog yesterday for lunch, but like I rarely do that. And then also, like, I don't eat chicken that much because I don't really like it. So, and we never have red meat in the house anyway, so I'm basically vegetarian most of the time. I just don't make it a point in my diet to always be vegetarian.
Yeah.
I'm turning the camera back on. They're
so
done.
I got a thing for you.
Thank you. Are they cool?
No. So these are some healthy blueberry muffins that we made. Do you want me to get you some milk or something?
I'm good. I have
Okay.
water. It looks great because of the blueberries.
Ooh, look at the inside.
Pretty good. It's not that sweet, but they're healthy. They
might be good with a little bit of powdered sugar on top.
That would defeat the purpose of healthy muffins. I mean, it could use, I feel like I would top this with more fruit.
Yeah.
Like, I would top this with strawberries and more blueberries.
Yeah.
But it's good. I mean, it
This
tastes like
would
a
be
muffin.
good with my smoothie in the morning.
I'm gonna get more of that fruit mixture pack that
Okay.
Mom got.
It's kind of like my smoothie this morning. It's blueberries and strawberries and a grain.
I'm sorry, that tastes so good.
Okay.
It tastes like a strawberry shortcake when you have it with fruit.
Dude. I'm
here. I'm here.
Every time I go and talk to you, you've got something in your
I
mouth.
feel like we should do something because I just see our dirty dishes and stuff. That is all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notifications if you haven't already. And you can share this video if you want to. And that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, have a fabulous day. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, that's so pretty.